The talk in the street, it's Friday the 13th. As we record, the bear market is regrouping this Friday the 13th to install a major market fall. Honestly speaking, this Friday's session seems full of landmines, with multiple negative catalysts at play. 1. Extremely weak leads from Wall Street in overnight trade. 2. Rising concerns over the impact of artificial intelligence on IT stocks. Nifty IT index at 10-month low. Many IT stocks plunged towards their 52-week low, including Sonata Software, KPIT Technologies, Oracle Financial Services, Hexaware Technologies, TCS, Poly Medicure, Nugent Software, Mastech, Wipro, Cyient, First Source Solutions, IGL, Happiest Minds, Clean Science, Abbott India, among others. 3. India's inflation rose to 2.75% in January 2026, well above expectations of 2.4%, marking the first print within the RBI's 4% tolerance band since August. Long story short, it's Friday the 13th. Trade cautiously. Market trends. The global cues are negative. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 108 crores while DII were net sellers to the tune of Rs 277 crores. Sentiments are likely to be risky for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals suggest weakening bullish momentum plus overbought technical conditions. FANO February month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 25,000 and 26,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index has cooled towards 11.72 levels. At last check, USD INR, February, was hovering near the 90.63 levels. Nifty PCR, 24th February, is at 1.11 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 24th February, is at 1.09. Nifty outlook, volatility is likely to be the hallmark of the day. Caution is warranted. What technicals tells on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP to 5807. Biggest intraday support for Nifty is now placed at 25,491 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 26,009 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 25,600 and 26,000. Bias for the day is negative. Sensex, CMP 83675. Biggest intraday support for Sensex is now placed only at 82,761 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 84,900 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 82,700 to 84,000. Bias for the day is bias, negative. Bank Nifty, CMP 60740. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 60,100 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 61,100 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 60,000 and 61,000. Bias for the day is neutral. Stock market news. In yesterday's trade, Nifty failed to clear 26,000 hurdle. The big question, will the bear market regroup this Friday the 13th? To install a major market fall? Our chart of the day suggests that the downside risk is more than upside surge. There is possibility of a more hawkish Federal Reserve as the street braces for Friday's all-important US CPI inflation data, key to shaping near-term Fed expectations and overall risk appetite. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Voltas, plus 0.56%, 1,515 rupees. Share price of Voltas hit a fresh 52-week high at 1,545 rupees and 15 paise, gaining in Thursday's intraday trade in an otherwise weak market on a healthy business outlook. In the past 9 trading days, the market price of the household appliances company has rallied 19%. 2. Hindustan Unilever, minus 2.27%, 2,407 rupees. HUL slipped after reporting its Q3 FY26 results, with standalone net profit at 2,590 crore rupees, revenue at 15,805 crore rupees, EBITDA at 3,640 crore rupees and EBITDA margin at 23%. 3. Seagull India, plus 1.23%, 300 rupees and 20 paise. Seagull Infra Projects, a wholly owned subsidiary of Seagull India, has received a letter of award, LOA, from the National Highways Authority of India, NHAI, for the construction of a 4-lane highway project in Bihar worth 2,160 crore rupees under the hybrid annuity mode, HAM. 3. Zydus Life Sciences, plus 2.36%, 920 rupees. Zydus Life Sciences gained over 2% after announcing a settlement with Astellas on the Myrbetriq drug, under which it will pay $120 million upfront along with a per-unit licensing fee on sales of its generic Mirabegron in the US till September 2027.